Hi guys, Shannon Stute down at St.Albert Dodge. Excited to show you this 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan. It's the GT, which is the stylish kind of extra pizzazz on the Grand Caravan. So it's got the black headlight bezels, so they look a little bit sharper. The black wheels as well as the painted blue matched mirrors. Now this vehicle is fully loaded with the power key doors, so if you just go ahead and click those twice, it's going to open up the left side there, and we'll show you a few more things as you come around with me. Another factor that the GT gets that's a little bit stylish is the red stitching on the leather seats. So it's got front and rear stow and go. The black headliner, if you'll notice, is really nice too, because keeps all the marks and dings that you might get from loading anything into the Caravan, or kids for that matter, from marking that up. So I'll go ahead and shut that, walk you around to the back, which is the power tailgate. Again, just two presses of that button there is going to open up our tailgate. It is a 60-40 split, which means that this back seat splits into two seats here, one seat here. It's got the rear stow and go as well as the middle, as I mentioned. Just pulling the numbers 1 through 4, you're going to be able to lay those seats down. And then simple enough, just kind of following the reverse process, you just go ahead and follow those and then pull the seat back up. Now, you've got a matter of what's on the inside to get over and look at with me, so come on in. Guys, we're sitting inside of this 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the GT, pretty well full load. There's not a feature I haven't been able to come across that I'm used to in these vehicles. You've got heated steering wheel, heated seats, along with the remote start. So when you remote start this vehicle on those cold days, your heated seats, heated steering wheel are already going to come on automatically now. It also has an economy mode. So what that's going to do, as soon as you put that on, this green leaf is going to light up green, and it's going to keep your RPMs within the threshold of the best fuel economy. So go ahead and put that on. You'll be able to take it off if you need that extra little bit of performance, but it's got the auto headlights, so those will automatically turn on and off for you. And then it also has a number of other features that you're really going to love. So come on down to St.Albert Dodge. Again, my name is Shannon. I would love nothing more to have you through our door and be able to go for a test drive on a beautiful vehicle like this.